Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the NAD nose wax for men/women, 1.6 ounce, pack of 1. Very impressed by how quick and effective this product works, and if you are asking if it hurts, the trick is to pull the stick and wax out of your nose really fast. Don't do this, it works better if you have the patience to do them separately. If you run out of the applicator, cotton swabs work well. But make sure you get the entire cotton part in the wax, or you'll be plucking cotton out of your nostrils. It may take a while to heat up the wax, but it really is a thorough way to wax your nose. Works really well, but after a few times you'll want to get drunk beforehand. Feels like you are ripping all the skin out of your nostrils, but you aren't. It's safe. Lately some wax has been left behind up there, so be sure to have some tweezers handy. Test the temperature with your finger before inserting the wax-covered applicator in your nostril. The wax wouldn't soften after microwaving it for 2 minutes longer than the directions stated. True, there are not enough applicators, but this product works effectively, and most critically, painlessly. Repeat process if pieces are in nose, and they should come right out with second try. You definitely want to pull out the applicator fast after you wait the 2 minutes. Works great. A little messy, but the process was simple enough, and it is significantly less painful than plucking. With any waxing there is going to be some pain, but this product made it fairly painless. It took only the superficial hairs of the nose. It doesn't let you take the important ones on the deep level of nostrils. If you read and follow the instructions, it is quick and easy, and it doesn't hurt at all. Attempted 3 times each nostril with varying times of application, all with relatively the same result. Note, you have to pull it out really quickly in order to not feel the pain. Trick, put more than suggested on the stick, and once inserted in the nose, sniff inward to morph the wax to your nose. The pain from pulling out the applicator stick was minor, and subsided within a few seconds. Also, it comes with those little nose applicator deals, but a popsicle stick worked better. Once the wax dries it gets really hard, and brittle, and gets everywhere, so you may want to do this in your garage, or your front yard if you're into that kind of thing. To pull them all out at once is such a relief. If you follow the instructions carefully, it is super easy. 2 minutes in the microwave, 90 seconds in the hairy space, and the pull and go. Removes hair painlessly without the wax ever sticking to the sensitive skin inside the nose. People groom or shave the hair all over the body, never paying attention to the hair peeking out of the nostrils. It is only easy to remove if someone does it for you. It is painful if you pull it yourself. If your nostrils aren't perfectly round, plan on waxing at least twice, once for each side of the same nostril. And this was after carefully reading the instructions, and doing it as exactly as they said. Best to clean the tools as they don't provide enough to empty the wax, but that's not a big chore. The applicators have a round end for nose hair, and a spatula end for skin applications. It appears that leaving the product in place too long is better than leaving it in too briefly, but it's all a little too inexact for me. You would think yanking all the hair out of your nostril would hurt, but it doesn't. Melting it off with a heat gun, and then cleaning them with mineral spirits or acetone works, but you have to be careful to not melt the applicators. Worked perfectly. Took 2 minutes to heat wax, and approximately 5 minutes to remove hair from both nostrils. Surely, since there are leftover applicators, the wax can be reheated? Either way, saved a trip to the salon, and performed as described. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.